What in the meat salami hell was that? Where that come from? Man.
Now right here, you can really see how bad it is. Watch as I go down. I mean, that's so bad. Stevie Wonder and Ray Charles. You see that bead in that chain. So what you say, Stevie? Look at that. Woo! That's a killer right there. God, dog. So we're gonna have to completely replace that chain with this one. This should solve my problem here. So that's what we're finna do right now. We're finna replace this chain. If I find my tool to take it. Well, it's off now. Put this other one on now.
Well, looks like I had to go buy me another breaker a day too late, but it is what it is.
Well, as you can see, problem solved. No more chain problem.
Turns out that 65-year-old man could really fucking throw him.
Well, when I put it back together, the chain wasn't positioned right, so I had to get the breaker anyway to take it off again. So that's what you see, the breaker.
As you can see, it's straight now. No crooks.
I forgot to record when I was using the breaker to open the chain and close it back up, but I'll do it in another video. I got 3 more chains to put on, so you'll get to see it.